Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today I want to play and explain Comin Round the Mountain. We are on page 15 of the Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 4. Here we are applying more and more all the things that have been learned until now, from the very last thing that has been learned in page 14, when we played from a storybook and learning how to make the finger change on the same key, to three-note slurs, staccato notes, and more. The dynamic is only one, is mezzo forte up to the end. It's a little bit complicated because there are many articulations. So it's all played applying always an articulation. From three-note slur to staccato, two-note slur, staccato, staccato on the left, finger change here, three-note slur, and staccato, and so on. I'm playing first of all at high speed and then at slower speed. So obviously you can easily see how complicated it is. I'm going to play it very slow. 1 and 2 and 1 and... Let's analyze as much as we can the majority of the passages. Anyways, I invite you to study well the lesson in Thompson Part 3 where Thompson explained the two-note slur and the three-note slur. You can find them in my playlist, in my Thompson Part 3 playlist. I'm leaving the link of this playlist below. Also study the lesson where Thompson explained at the beginning of Thompson Part 3 the wrist staccato. The one that you should use here is exactly the wrist staccato. And obviously don't forget to revise the previous lesson. Let's start from the beginning. Drop on the first note, connect the second, roll up on the third, in this way. The other ones are all of them staccato. Here we have two-note slur. You have to do simply drop, roll, and then staccato, staccato. Then obviously here all staccato, you simply apply the staccato on the left. Remember, one and, this note is a crotchet staccato, so the easy thing is to do one and, then you change finger on the G. The G has been played with the fourth at the beginning, you play then with the thumb. So after having it with the fourth, ta-da, drop, connect, roll, and then staccato. Here you release, be careful to not connect these two notes. Many times students connect the notes before and after the two-note slur, also before and after the three-note slur. You have to pay attention. This is a staccato. Here is needed a dropping. So here you would do Ti-dan. I've played the last B of the first bar. Drop, roll, staccato. Same story here. Mind indeed the three-note slur. And it's all the same. When you have, for example, two-note slur and a staccato note on the other side, same as I explained in the very first lesson where Thompson was explaining how to apply the wrist staccato, I always say, if you have to drop on the first and roll up on these, and this is a staccato, this has to be released when you play the second note, in this way. Ti-yam. Down together, up when you play the second. Drop, roll, and when you roll, playing the D, you go up with the left. Ta-yam. That's all. I think that I've refreshed all the main concepts. I invite you to watch the previous lessons. Obviously, if you have any question, feel free to comment. Let me know how things are going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one. All the best.